This is a Master Lock Magnum M176. It can be bypassed and decoded using tools like the notch decoder, but mine is broken and I'm waiting on a replacement. Thankfully, however, Master Lock were kind enough to include this pin tumbler system on the side of the lock as a backup, which has 4 pin stacks in it without any security pins. To open this lock, I'm using a 40 thousandths pry bar and the McTickler profile from my Reaper set. You may notice it takes me a bit longer than it usually would for a Master Lock, but that's only because the keyway is quite small and restrictive, which prevents me from using the right amount of McTickling. And in case you were wondering, this lock can still be bypassed using a mallet.